Welcome to our channel Learn Kashmiri with Arihant. In this video, we will learn the lesson number 7th of the book Spoken Kashmiri, a language course by Omkar and Koul. This book is published by the Indian Institute of Language Studies, and we are using this material only for the purpose of helping the user read the book in the Kashmiri language. Namaskar. Namaskar, how are you? Namaskar, Toichu Vare? I am fine. Anmara Vare. What are you doing? Toi kya chu karan? I am reading a book. Buchus kitab paran. What is Sheila doing? Sheila kya chu karan? Sheila is writing a letter. Sheila chha chit lekhan. Are children playing? Shurcha Gindan. Veena is listening to radio. Veena chhe radio bozan. Shana is washing clothes. Shana chhe palav chalan. Where is Meena? Meena kaite Meena is cooking food. Meena chhe bataranan. Why? Where is the servant? Kaze? Nokar kachu. He is sick today. Suchoaz bemar. Where is baby? Baby kaite Baby is watching TV. Baby chhe TV wuchan. Where were you going yesterday? Toi kot asiv gachan raat. I was going to the market. B osus bazar gachan. Where were you? Toi kat asv. I was purchasing a medicine. B osus dawa hevan. Where was Mr. Nazir? Nazir sahab kat os. He was looking for some papers. Tim as ke kakaz thandan. What was Naseem doing? Naseema kya as karan? She was stitching her clothes. So as panin palav suvan. Were you eating your food? So oskha batkyaman? No, I was taking tea. Na bo osus chai chavan. Was Rama knitting a sweater? Rama asa banyan monan?